There we go. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. And today we have a guest running session with some lovely locomotives. And I will hand you over to the owner, who will introduce himself and introduce the first locomotive that is going to run today.
Hello, so it's Kai, and I'm here with Ryan today, and we're going to do some running sessions with my locos and his locos, so enjoy. The first locomotive I've brought over is the LMS Duchess of Norfolk. I bought this from another YouTuber, King Ori, who bought a new one and flogged the old one off. And then next to her we have 46237 City of Bristol, which is obviously Ryan's because it's much nicer. So if you want to send them off on their merry way.
I will. Right, I've got the responsible job today. Let's go! Let's go! Speed! That's quite loud. And then, see if the Bristolian will go around, which is going around a little bit slower because it's on the tighter track. Fair enough. Send the Bristolian around. The speed!
And the noise of the speed!
And there's Bristol. Which is absolutely lovely. Gotta give that some attention today as well. And coming through! The speed!
And that's just trundling along.
See? Steaming along, singing a song, steaming in a winter wonder. He stopped on his own accord.
What are you doing?
Hello?
King Ori, your loco died. Hang on.
I think he just gave up
Set
wanting
it
to.
forward.
It's forward.
Work.
Spit on it. That might work.
Oh, wait. Oh. Right, try again.
It's on, full.
Go forward, yeah?
Yeah, it's full.
I'm going to break your track by
Come on.
forcing it, but I don't want to. Unless it has it done a short circuit.
It could have,
Hang on,
because
what
it's
is-
running on a different controller.
Try again. Nope. God damn it. Well, that was short-lived.
Well, that went well. There you go, there are the two Duchesses together. And funny enough, one isn't actually a Duchess technically. Here it is. So it's a Batman Patriot.
Funny though.
There we go. It's called Illustrious. The hall here. Hey?
What the dickens? It's doing a Great Western. Oh, flipping hell! The flipping Valby has come out. How the hell have you managed that?
I think is that loco number 2
That's alright.
of 2
It's back on now, but
that has decided it wants to no longer run on the
end its
railway
life.
today.
it heard the person's name and got scared. Oh, come on, you flipping monkey. Right. I'm begging you, please.
Begging you.
I'm gonna go hide in the dark room soon.
There we go. So that is Illustrious, and it also has a slightly down-turning cab. There we go. What's next? Right, we have the next lot. So we have Frank is joined by a guest of Heysham and Markham. No, the other way around. Which is another Patriot. That's a right power station. I'll give you a minute to get that joke. And then we have the Dapol Bradley Manor, which looks superb with the high shine as well, which looks absolutely glorious. And it is joined by the Bacol Manor, which is a combination of a Bachmann body and a Dapol side, basically, the wheels and stuff. Or you can call it Dapperman, which is slightly funnier. So we just call it the back hole because it's easier to say. However, it does sound like a washing detergent. Anyway, let's get to it. We'll set the manners off first. He asked me using the word please. It definitely used its manners. And now for the loud train. I don't think Frank... There we go. Flipping hellfire.
Oh my god.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Frank, slow down! That's my boy. There we go. Them bad boys. I think the power station is off. Oh dear, there's been a complete disaster.
Oh, what the hell's happened? I think the couplings have locked up.
I think his bogey's come off.
Oh, the wheel. Yeah, hang on. The wheels come off the bogey. How the...
The wheels are really falling off this video today.
Fine.
To bring Frank round without his tender.
Go on, hang on. Well, hang on. There you go. Wait!
You get everything on there. You get locos room without tenders.
What's up with you?
The couplings. No, I'll get it push. I'll get him to push these around. Come on.
Right, that should be fine now.
That's a good lad. Come on, Frankie. He's just going to push it round.
Nora. Right, hang on.
That coach is slightly off the track, but... Wait, what's happened to Frank? Oh, he's crashed into the coach. How's he stuck with... He's stuck on the coach.
Oh, the bogey's got Jesus Christ on a stick. Right.
Oh dear. Meanwhile... Frank, you naughty boy. I've not damaged that coach, have I? Smacking that loco into it.
Right, it should be.
Oh. To the way!
There you go.
There we go. It's working again now. Good idea to stop the mainliners. There we go. So there's Frank, and then there is Morecambe and Haitian Power Station.
You can see how fast Bradley's going compared to the flipping dead one.
Oh yeah, no. Pop going for it. Pop going for it. Speed. Ultimate wheel spin compilation. Left the coaches far behind. There we go. Right. We'll go on to probably the last round, because obviously I've got to... have a few more minutes for the disasters to occur in the middle. Look at this lovely thing. Yes, I know it's not Union South Africa's number. However, it is very, very nice. We'll run this later on as well in the live stream, which you'll see probably before this. Flipping it. I'll get some pictures of it with Union South Africa because it's pretty cool. So, and even though it's got a 0800 1066 coupling, have to say that every time you say the word 00. And then I basically managed to stick a Lima parcel van on it. Marvellous. Right, then we've got a Holden tank, BR Greenwell. And then we've got the Queen at the back. She's pushing along. She's pushing today. So, it's quite funny. Whee! It's going to go around. Right, there we go. And now for the A4. Oh, that's backwards. Typical. Oh no, it's uncoupled. Disaster. It's a more of a manual hand of God thing than a thingy. There we go. Come on, South Africa. Nice express speed. You're being chased by an 040. You can't let that happen. Look at this thing. Look at that. The speed! Actually runs really well as well. And there's another 040s. Oh, the smell of that A4 is just insane. It's proper going on. It's quite quiet as well. Whee! Speed! The speed! And the noise of the speed! Speedy Gonzales! Ooh. Oh. Oh no, I think we've had another short circuit, boys.
Well, how come that keeps happening then?
Well, the polarity's wrong on that, innit? Because it goes backwards.
Yeah, it should still work then.
Maybe it's just because it's old and it's drawing loads and loads of power. My controller
they've both done it. So...
My controller is warmer than a volcano right now, so maybe.
Is that blue? Does that smell like it's going to blow up in a minute?
I think it's that. I just think it's something to do with the electronics. I can't pull.
Well, it's fine on the gauge map, so it could be the controller can't cope with it.
It is an old homebrew.
Oh dearie me. Yeah, it stopped at a good place pretty much.
Well, there's the A4 then. And stop these alongside the alongside the A4, or what's left of it.
A4.
Well, there we go. We'll have an A4. You ready? There we go. That's better. An A4 there. Right, we're going to have to conclude this video because otherwise it's going to cut off. So, ta for watching, dudes, and we'll see you very soon for some more videos.
Bye.
Goodbye.